I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open the Photos app on your Apple phone to start editing a photo right now. Tap the image you want to change and look for the Edit button in the upper right corner. Tap Edit to reveal all the built-in editing tools available on your device. Next, locate the Adjust icon to see exposure, brilliance, highlights, shadows, and more. The app shows more than 10 adjustment tools for precise control. Follow the on-screen controls to make incremental changes and preview each change in real time. Start with exposure to balance overall brightness and contrast in your image. Move the exposure slider slowly until the brightest areas look natural and not blown out. Adjust highlights and shadows to recover details in bright and dark areas respectively. Use temperature and tint sliders to correct color cast by degrees for accurate skin tones. Increase or decrease vibrance and saturation to refine overall color intensity without oversaturating. Use the Auto button if you want a quick baseline correction. Before fine-tuning, tap the Crop tool to straighten and frame your image precisely using aspect ratios. Choose 16:9, 4:3, or 1:1 depending on your destination. Use the Rotate and Straighten controls to correct horizons by degrees if needed. Apply a filter to change mood, but reduce intensity with the slider for subtlety. Combine cropping, exposure, and color adjustments for a cohesive result before saving. When finished, tap Done to save edits or tap Revert to return to the original photo anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.